French fries.
Hello, everyone. Good to see you again. Do you like studying 80 foods? Good. This time, we will learn about French fries. Look at this picture. The sliced potatoes are French fries. Ketchup is in a small bowl. Now let's begin the class. First, we will study words.
Curly. Look at the lines on the snail's shell. The lines are curly. If something is curved or spiral in shape, the shape is curly. Some people have curly hair. Tornado. Look at the storm in the picture. It is a tornado. A tornado is a very heavy wind storm. It is so powerful that it can destroy fields and buildings.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Tornado. Curly.
It's time to read a story. After that, you will take a quiz.
Do you like potatoes? How about French fries? French fries are deep-fried potatoes. We often eat French fries with ketchup. We usually eat them with other food as a meal. What food do you eat with French fries? French fries are commonly sliced potatoes, like in the picture. But some other shapes are also made. Curly fries and tornado fries are a couple of them.
What are French fries made of? Potatoes. Tomatoes. What is true about French fries? They come in different shapes. We usually eat them as a main meal.
What food do you eat with French fries? When I eat a hamburger at a restaurant, I eat French fries with it. This is the end of our lesson about French fries. See you next class. Goodbye.